Hey, what's fine guys? I'm Max and this is Max on Drone. Today I'm gonna test out 4 different propeller holders that I found on Amazon. You can see on the table over there. I was using some Velcro strap. It doesn't hold into place. So I'm gonna test them out and I'm gonna test them on the ease of use, the protection it gives when you put them in your bag or in your backpack, and the overall score. Stay tuned to see my results just after this. Alright, so let's try out. The first one's gonna be the generic Chinese version that I ordered. It was, let me see, it was 1924 Canadian. So it came in this little plastic bag. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna remove the one I had. It was only Velcro strap, so let's open it. See how it goes. So it's simply this. I'm gonna show you on the camera. It's just simple plastic thingies. So let's see if I find how to correctly put them on my drone. Yeah, sorry for the noise. I'm next to the highway. It's not ideal, but this is the only place I found some tables around. Let's see how it goes. I guess this one is... This one is curved. So it must be at the bottom? Oh yeah, I think that's it. It seems to hold, as you can tell. So let's see on the top one. I'm not convinced. I don't know if it's the proper way to put this thing on my drone, but before I put it in the bag, I'm gonna give you the score for the ease of use. I would say 2.5, maybe 3 out of 5. Because, I mean, it slides off, it slides easily. You see, it slides. I don't know if you can see. So I don't know. So let's give it 2.5 out of 5 for ease of use. Let's put it in the bag for the protection test. This way. Okay, now let's give it a good juggle. All right, did it stay in place? Let's see. Yeah, it stayed in place. Not too bad. So protection, I mean, it's still moving. These cancel blades are still moving inside because it's plastic against plastic. So I would say the protection would be out of 5, maybe a 3. I mean, the bottom is very sturdy, but the top, it's slippery. Doesn't hold into it well. So the overall score for this one, the Chinese generic version, 3 out of 5. Now let's move on with the second one. It's called a Betschkim Propeller Holder. It's $13.99 Canadian. I'm gonna put the number over there. So let's see how it goes. Let's unpack it. Man, it's windy today. It came into this little wrapper. It's made of plastic and silicone, as you can tell. So it should be pretty simple. Should. That's the... It's flippy flappy. Let's see how it goes. So there should be the bottom to all the props underneath. Okay, let's unbutton this. Okay. Maybe like this. What's it so curved? Okay, like this. So you need to follow the curve of your drone. It goes on the... It's pretty simple. It fits very, very nifty. And you put the strap, the orange strap, over here. And you put the little button like so. Yeah, this one was pretty easy. Once you figured out that it fits on the back plate, the back of your drone. Oh, my blades are not even properly placed. So let's undo it. Also, there's only one. Okay, I thought I could remove it on this side, but yeah, you really need to use the button to remove it like this. And I gotta place the blades properly, like so. They really need to be inside the trenches. I mean, it moves, the blades, they have a slight movement that can be included. You can hear the plastic. So the blades are moving a bit in the compartment. Ease of use, I'm gonna give it a 4 for this one. Now let's see the protection, if it holds into place. It should. Let's put it back in the bag. It slides well, it fits. Now for the shake test. Okay, let's see if it holds in the bag. It didn't move. And let's remove it. Everything stays in place since it's made in plastic. The blades in the back, they moved a bit, as you can tell, because the silicone is not. Oh, see that? The silicone is very loose. So I would say for protection, I mean, it moves a bit. Let's give it a 3.5. So I was saying 4 for the ease of use, 3.5 for the protection. So overall for the Betschkim, I would say 3.75 out of 5. All right, now let's move on to the StartRC propeller holder. As you can notice on the box I wrote that it's $14.99 Canadian. It comes in a little box, made in China, and everything is made in China, especially this one. Okay, let's open it. All right, it comes in a box and in a plastic bag, and I think it's made of silicone-ish. No, what the hell is this? Okay, this is only the foam to protect it or to hold it into place. Oh man, it looks so cheap. It's like a fake leather. It's a fake leather strap. What the hell? Okay, let's see how it goes. It has a little button also. Oh, is it magnetic? Oh, it's magnetic. All right, let's see if it's easily put on. I don't know it. I don't even know which side. It's the other way around. So the pin. Oh, careful with the blades. This pin's coming out of the strap, so it needs to be up. So I'm gonna put it on top, like so, on top of the drone. Gonna wrap around. I mean, it's so not easy to use. So I'm gonna press the insert. Oh, it's in. Once it's into place, I mean, okay, it works. But I mean, when you wrap it around, all the blades are woo!
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube men.
Thanks to a shipping error, I am now currently overstocked on wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube men, and I am passing the savings on to you!
So, sorry for swearing. So yeah, it's not easy to put on, but once it's on, I mean, it still slides. Look at that. It slides a bit up and down and up and down and up and down. Yeah, not ideal. Now, ease of use, I'm gonna give it a 2. Now let's see for the protection. That's how it goes. Yeah, it slides well because it's made of leather, fake leather. Now for the shake test. Oh. I really want to test this one. Okay, did it move? That is the question. Let's put it back and put it out. It was still holding. All right, for the StarRC strap, I would give it for the protection maybe a 4 out of 5 because yeah, it still holds into place. So for the overall score for the StarRC, so it's a 3 out of 5. All right, let's move on to the last one. It's still a StartRC propeller holder, but this one costs $19.99 Canadian, so maybe around 15 US. I'm gonna put the number over there. Let's open the box. Nifty little box. So it's made of plastic and silicone. Oh, the first one with instructions in Chinese and in English. So let's read it. Propeller holder for 8th Air 3 indicator card. Insert the propeller harness into the bottom buckle of the drone, then organize the propellers, then press the silicone tape onto the propellers and buckle it into the buckle. There's a lot of buckle. So let's see about the buckle. So put the plastic thing, then the silicone thing. All right, let's remove the foam that was into it. Okay, so we have a plastic thing, the silicone thing, so they say the buckle, and there's a little camera icon on top. So it must go up. So I guess it goes on the back like so. Yeah, seems to fit. Protect the bottom blades. Oh, and it holds. It snaps into it. And now you put the strap over like so. And there's 2 holes for the strap. So you can decide how tight you want it. And in my case, it's the first one, so the tightest. It's not even that tight. It's not even that tight. I would have put maybe another hole to hold the silicone strap better, because see that? It flaps like crazy. I mean, ease of use, this one was pretty the best, I would say. It's so easy because it snaps into it. So I would give it a 4 for the ease of use. But as for the protection, I mean, really not sure about it because the blades are still moving a lot. So protection wise, okay, let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh, see that? The straps, it bangs onto the side of the bag, so and moves a bit. Let's do a proper shake test. Okay, did it move? Let's see. I remove it. Yeah, it didn't move, but the blades are all over the place. See that? Usually they are together in the little dent there, but they move all around the place. So protection wise, 3 out of 5. Holy shoosh. So overall number for this one, I was saying ease of use 4, protection, a good 3. So all in all, 3.5 for this one overall. Okay, now from left to right, the first one I tested and the last one, which one wins the overall score? It's the Betschkim Propeller Holder. It was only $13.99, and this one was very easy to put on. Protection wise, it's not the best, but for overall scores, the ease of use is so easy to put on. In the back, you strap your thing on top. I wish there was a tighter hole, I mean another extra hole to put it even tighter, but it fits very well. So, and it's very cheap, made of plastic and silicone. So congrats, Betschkim. Hopefully you like this little video I did for the comparison of the propeller holders I found online on Amazon, and if you did, you know what to do. Thank you so much for encouraging me for my channel, and fly safe guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.